In this video, we are going to learn about the subtraction tricks by using the Vedic maths, and the number from which we are doing the subtraction, it will be a base number, and by using this method you will be able to solve the subtraction within 5 seconds. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to Vedic maths, so please see my earlier videos also, in which I have explained the multiplication and the addition tricks. So let us start our today's topic, which is we have to understand about the subtraction tricks which are going to be useful for you in your exam, right? So the first method is that you have to subtract any given number from your base number. Base number methods we have also done in our multiplication tricks. So what is base? Base is what? Any number which is having a multiple of 10, right? Because doing subtraction from these numbers is a little bit simpler one, right? So for doing subtraction from the base number, we are going to follow a rule which says that subtract from 9 and last from 10. What does it mean now? So let us understand this statement by taking the simplest example first, and then we will move on to the more complicated problems. Okay, so there is a digit 789 and you have to subtract it from 1000. Okay, so what the statement says that subtract from 9 means you have to subtract each digit of the given number from 9. That means 9 minus 7 will give you 2, 9 minus 8 will give you 1, but for the last digit you have to subtract this last digit from 10. So 10 minus 9 will give you 1, right? So it is done now. So see, this has been derived from our normal mathematics only. How we do subtraction from the normal mathematics? When I have to subtract this, I will take carry from here. 10 minus 9 will be 1. This will become 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. This will again become 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2. So what is going on? That my last digit is subtracting from 10 and the remaining digits are being subtracted from 9. So let's take second example, which is in which you have to subtract 784 from 1000. So by seeing only, what you will do, you will subtract this from 9, this also from 9, and you will subtract 4 from 10. So what is the answer? The answer is 2, 1 and 6. Okay, so let's take another example. You have to only remember this trick: subtract from 9 and last from 10. Okay, so how you will proceed? You will subtract this from 9, what you will get? 0. You will subtract this from 9, what you will get? 9. Subtract this from 9, this from 10. 10 minus 9 will be 1. So 91 will be your answer. Okay, let us take another example, the fourth one, which says that you have to subtract 72 from 10,000. So how you will proceed? 72. So what you will do now? You will put some zeros here. Okay, so now do the as I have told you, this digit 0 will be subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 0 will be 9. This will also give me 9 minus 0 will give me 9, and this will give me 9 minus 7 as 2, and from 2 is the last digit, so it will be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 2 will give me 8. Okay, so this is the process you have to follow, that you have to subtract from 9 and the last digit from 10. The remaining digits, all the digits will be subtracted from 9 and the last digit will be subtracted from 10. Okay, so you can see these questions for the practice part, that if any base number is given to you and you have to subtract any given number from your base number. Okay, So this was about the base numbers. So let us meet in the next video in which we will solve some questions in which base number is a multiple of our normal base number, right? So this time 600 is the number. So let us meet in the next video in which the number from which we are subtracting is a multiple of our base number. For example, 600 is a multiple of what? 600 is a multiple of 100 by 6. Okay, so let us meet in the next video and we will understand that how to solve these kind of questions. If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let us meet in the next video in which we are going to learn about the subtraction tricks if the bigger number is a multiple of a base number. So if you have any questions, so please add your comments in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.